Hey everyone, welcome again. In this video, we will see how to install Postman. Postman is a platform for building and using APIs, and it says Postman simplifies each step of the API lifecycle. You can create better APIs faster. So we will use Postman to extensively test the REST APIs that we will develop in upcoming lessons. So let's start. If you go to the home page of postman.com, you can see this particular link here, download the desktop app for, because I'm using Windows, so I'm going to hit Windows. And just download the installer. Now that the file has been downloaded, let's install the Postman. So this is now installing the Postman on my system. Using Postman is very simple. We can use the Postman to call any API or to test any API. Here we provide the API URL, the API that we want to call. Here we mention the HTTP method, whether it is get, post, put, patch, and then we hit the send button to make the API call. And whatever value or whatever response we get from the API, we can find that response here in this area. So considering the API is up and running on my local machine, which it is, and if we try to test this API via Postman this time, so what we will do, we know that this is the base address of my API. So I'll go to the Postman, I'll provide the address here, and now the URL for my endpoint, which is /health, like this. And if I hit the send button, I get the response up. And if I need to call another endpoint, let's say dump, so I simply need to copy it, change the URL, and make the call again. And now I see a different response. So that's how we use Postman to call the APIs that we can use to test the APIs, which we will do in future lessons. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.